Okay, so now that you've got the card and you've put it into your computer, what we need to do is we need to get two windows. So you need to be here in your File Explorer inside this, and I want you to double click on your Media Video 1-3. So this is an empty folder right now. We're going to put it up to the left. Now hold down the Control key and hit the letter N for New. It'll give you a new window. We're just going to drag it down here so we can see both windows. I want you to click on this PC and you'll see your card right here. So you double click on it, you go into DCIM 100 Canon, and you've got all of your videos. Go Control A to select all of them and just drag them into your media folder. Okay? That's all you got to do. It just drags on into the media folder. And through the magic of video, we'll speed this up. Alright, it's now finished copying, and you will notice that all of these files are selected. So that makes it really easy right now. And you see down here where it says import media underneath in your Premiere Pro. Okay, literally just drag these guys into here and let go. And underneath that window, it is starting to import this in. I'm going to close this, I'll close this, and you'll notice, excellent, you have these all copied into your project. Super.